Well, hello, this is Trash Train Punk. Welcome to my train room. Long time no see, because my computer was down and it took some time to get a new one. And this is exactly the device with which I'm making the video now. Well, today I want to show you something about ballasting. Well, there are lots of ballasting videos on YouTube, but usually not with Fenfa rails. The scale modelers have a certain rule about ballasting. Between between one sleeper and the other sleeper, there should be place for 10 stones. If you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then it's a realistic ballasting. You can really go out to the next train line and check this out. I did it. It is exactly like that. So I made a test with different materials. And that's what you see here. This here is this kind of gravel for a cat's toilet. That's a fine gravel with some chemical problems because it's made. It's made that, all the cat's pee is soaked up and it doesn't smell. So you have really problems to use PVA glue and glue it to the rails. This is a mess, as you see here. This is you can't really run a hopper over this. That's absolutely terrible. What I wanted to use from the beginning is this aquarium gravel. Well, it's blue. I have another enormous bag with brown one. This one's just blue because I had an aquarium. when I threw it away, I kept the gravel, and this is just for the test. So if you want to ballast your layout, please do it like I do. First, sacrifice 2 rails or more rails and make a test. If this is the aspect, that's fine for you. As you see here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have more or less 4 instead of 10 stones between 2 sleepers. So it's a little bit bigger, that's double the thickness of an original ballast. But it's the aspect is not so bad. Maybe this size is more realistic, but then don't use cat's gravel. You use a type of sand. Make experiments with some sand. This here is sawdust. In the middle is not painted. This is the result you get if you use sawdust for making a landscape surface. Sawdust and PVA glue. I'll show you later something. So this type of gravel is not so bad, as you see. There's a little bit of vibration now. We just have to take a screwdriver and click, for example, this stone out, this stone out, this stone out. The ones that's a little bit of work. The ones that make the hopper hop a little bit. But that's a fine aspect. I think I'll use the aquarium gravel that's the result is not so bad. Talking about the sawdust, you see here the result if you mix PVA glue, green color, white color, and sawdust, and make it and you put it with a paintbrush on a surface. This is a really a nice surface effect. That doesn't look too bad. In the original, it's far darker than you see it now with the camera. Well, talking about the rails and the gravel, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Well, see you next time, and stay well.